what I'm putting in there. This is the outer bearing. This is the inner bearing. Seal. What number is that? That's what the seal looks like. After you put the bearing in top here, you put the seal in here. Hammer it down until the flange is flat. Still have to pack these bearings. I already cleaned the rotor, this area, with brake clean and blew it out. Used a towel that doesn't have a lint on it. It's nice and clean, so I'm going to have to pack this bearing, or new bearing. Driver's side rotor's ready to go on. This bearing's packed. It's in there and the seal's in there. Already cleaned off the rotor. Got the grease on the inside of the rotor. That bearing's packed. It's all greased up. Washer? Nut. Tighten the nut down while I turn it, get this grease squeezed out, the bearing set. Just back that off till the nuts. And I can turn it with my fingers. Turn it down hand tight. Just keep turning these until it lines up the hole. That's pretty close. Okay, the bearing's in there, seal's on there. Stub is all greased up there. Slide this on there. I got some more grease and put it on that outer race there before I put that bearing on there. And then I tightened that nut down pretty tight while I was turning it to squeeze the grease out and just seat the bearing. And then I backed it off till the nut was loose, hand tight, and then I just tightened it a little bit. And I put the little castle thing on there and just put the cotter pin in there. It's not tight, so I wrote myself a note on there to check that and tighten that when I get the wheel on there. so I can use the wheel to see if I have any play in it or not.